What's up, guys? Welcome to the Rolling Grill Barbecue Show. Hey, I finally remembered to bring my camera while I was on my trailer cooking on this 72. Multifaceted grill. You can grill on it. You can smoke on it. It can do it all. But in this video, you'll see me just doing some quick grilling. I'm doing steaks. I'm doing boneless chicken thighs, boneless chicken breasts, steak burgers, and I think we even grilled some asparagus and some a few other vegetables on here as well. So for those that are interested in it, I finally got you a video just to see it in action. Enjoy, and as always, like, share, and subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. Y'all be blessed.